Hello there, we are from hrpreparation.com, India's first online institute for HR aspirants. This video is a demo for NSCL crash course. From this video, you will be able to understand the course content. So first of all, let's click the content in the study material section. Here, you will be able to see the given topics in the course. All the study material with topics and acts covers a great insight from respective topic or act. Now expand the test series tab. Here you can find 3 sections. So the first one is the unit-wise test series. Now here units means topics and acts in section A and the general topics for section B. Here onwards you can find section B test series. So you can find quantitative aptitude as QA with respective topics, Now coming to model mock test series. Now at last, coming to the previous paper section. Here you can find 2019 previous year paper